how to install Adstter on Android. After you subscribe, this window will pop up. You can either use the app on Android, on the web screen, or on Windows Media Player. Today, we will download Android. To do it, you just click on Android Player and then on Download. You need to copy the Paper Light Release app file to the Android player where the advertisement will be played. Remember that the user is downloading on his computer, but the player is in another computer, indicating that the system is compatible from Android version 4.0. Now you go into your Android device and then go to Downloads and click on Adstter. When you click it, it will automatically download and this screen will appear. Let's leave that for a second. Then we will go to Adstter.com and log in. Next, on the menu bar, you click on the new display and fill out all these fields, like resolution, type of device, etc. And when you are done, you press on the Keep button. This code will pop up. Remember the code and copy it. Now, we will synchronize our screens to the Android player. To do it, you just go into the app and enter the code. Click on Save and then on Synchronize. Afterwards, you just need to wait 15 minutes and then your display will turn into green, like here. And then you're all done.